Hey guys, Sarah here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Boxyluxe for December 2019. This box is $49.99 a quarter, so you get it December, March, June, and September, I believe, are the months. It's like a upgrade to your normal BoxyCharm. So the other months you just get your regular BoxyCharm, and then 4 times a year you get this big giant box. As always, if I don't know if something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always put that in the description box right down there, so make sure you're checking that out if you're interested in that good stuff. I also break down the value of the box down there to see whether we're getting a good deal or not. This box hopefully will have the prices of everything listed in the little card that comes with it, but that seems to be like something that's not happening in a lot of boxes anymore, so hopefully this will. Okay, let's just go ahead and open her up. So when you open it up, it looks like this, a whole bunch of nothing. Under that little foam, though, is everything we're getting. So first things first is the card right here with the theme, which is Whimsy. And it does have the prices of everything listed, so that's good. All right. So the first thing I'm going to pull out is this daily hair wrap towel from Daily Concepts. So there it is right there. You can see like the sort of steps you take. It's like a microfiber towel. I actually already have one of these I bought on Amazon a couple of years ago. I was trying to do the curly girl method because I have naturally wavy hair, and they recommended this sort of product for it, so I was using it for that, and now I just use it all the time, even though my hair is definitely not in the curly girl method right now. So I already have one of these. I definitely don't need another one. I don't know how long of hair this is for because there are different lengths for different hair. So yeah, this I'll probably just go ahead and toss into a giveaway. These things are really nice, especially they just make your hair feel like less frizzy when drying. I don't know how to explain what this thing does, but they're really, really good. So I'm excited I got it. It does say on the back here this brand's cruelty free, so that's good. And let's see. The value of this is 18 bucks. So you could definitely find these sort of things cheaper on Amazon. I think mine was like $5 that I bought. But yeah, definitely if I didn't already have one of these, I'd be super pumped to get one. These things are really, really good. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Cosmedix. This is, I'm not sure what this is, but there's the packaging. Super clean and simple, which I like. Let's find out what this is. Oh. I think this might have been the thing I chose. So BoxyCharm is sort of like doing like the Ipsy thing where you can choose an item in here. And I think this is what I chose. So this is like one of those face things that like stimulates blood in your face. It definitely feels nice. It's kind of cool, which feels good, like cold. I don't really know the science of these things or what they're supposed to do. So let me see. So it says Face and Body Massage Beauty Roller. So it's made with geranium stone. So those little black things on there are geranium stone. It doesn't really tell you what it does other than massage. I guess it's not making any sort of like crazy claims that it does anything. I'll have to research more into that to see what these are supposed to do. But I know I chose it because I don't have anything like that. So let's see. So it's a tool used to improve the visibility of fine lines, enhance skin texture, and uplift fatigue skin. I have all those things. It says it's valued at $69. I don't know if I'd pay that. I don't even know if it's worth that, honestly, but I'm definitely excited to have it. Next thing I have is from Ciate London, which is cruelty free. This is the Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher. Packaging is super pretty, really like it. Let's go ahead and see what the color looks like. Ooh, it's like kind of Christmas. Well, I guess it's not Christmassy, but really pretty. Oh, that's really interesting. So I definitely like the color. It's definitely a color that's right up my alley. I like these darker blushes. Let's go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, it's actually pinker than I thought it was going to be. There it is on my finger. Go ahead and give it a swatch. Oh, that's kind of disappointing. So it's not like super pigmented. It is on my finger. It's like stained, but it's definitely not swatching very well. It definitely feels a little hard, like it's not like buttery smooth in there. I don't know. I definitely will play around with that on my face and might be able to get it to transfer better with a brush. I literally cannot stand having swatches on me. Like, I have to wipe them off immediately. Let's see, the value on the blush is 26 bucks. So I don't think I would pay that personally. It didn't just wow me just based on the swatches alone. It seems a little bit overpriced in my opinion. Okay, let's pull this out next. So this is from In Beauty. Is that what it is? It's a Power Up Dual Phase Setting Mist. Helps to set makeup, energize, and revive skin. Filters away dull, tired, and stressed out complexion. Use under makeup to prep skin, over makeup to set your look, and throughout the day to refresh tired skin. It says it's cruelty-free and vegan, so that's good for me. I just got a setting spray in, what was it, Ipsy? Because I was like, I'm almost out of setting spray, so now I have 2. All right, let's go ahead and spray this and see what the mister feels like. Oh, not a huge fan of the sprayer. Let's get that off. Actually, it's not too bad, but it is a little intense. Whew. It smells like clean. I don't know what the scent is on it, but I'm not mad about it. It smells like nice and light. Let's see, $32 for that. So a little bit expensive, but it is, well, most setting sprays are this big, so I don't know. I don't know if I would personally pay that for that. I'll have to give it a try and see how I like it with my skin. But yeah, excited to get it in here. Okay, so the next thing I have is from Saturday Skin, which is not a brand I've ever heard of. It's not saying anything about it being cruelty-free, so I probably won't be using this until I find that out. But let's see what this is supposed to be. This is a this packaging is really cute. This is a Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. An anti-aging glacier water cream that delivers mineral-rich moisture while protecting the skin from free radicals. Okay, it's valued at $39. Let's see what's in here. Wow, I really love the packaging. Like, really pretty, simple. I'll go ahead and give it a sniff, I guess. It smells like nothing, which is good. And it is like, I don't know if you're gonna be able to tell that. Like, it's super watery looking. Like, it's not like a lotion. It feels very serum-y. So, I'll have to look into this brand to see whether they're cruelty-free. If so, I definitely will use that. Feels good. Like the way that feels. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Kat Von D, which is cruelty-free. This is the Dagger Tattoo Liner in the shade Trooper Black. So there's the packaging right there. I know a lot of people have a lot of opinions about Kat Von D, the person. But this is just about makeup, so let's see. I don't understand what the difference is between this and like the regular tattoo liner. Because it's got the same brush thing on there. I don't know what the difference is. I don't think I have any of the other regular tattoo liner to compare it to. I think I might have used it up. Anyways, I don't know what the difference is, but it's valued at 20 bucks. It doesn't seem any different to me than the other one. It says it's waterproof. I can't remember if the other one is waterproof, but I don't know what the difference is. So anyways, got that. Let's see. The next thing I have is from Fresh, which I can't remember if they are cruelty-free. My gut tells me they are not cruelty-free, but I can't quite remember. This is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser for all skin types. There's the packaging right there. So it's a gel cleanser for all skin types, has a cult following for the way it removes makeup, even mascara. So it's a makeup removing cleanser. So I will research and find out whether they are cruelty-free or not. I feel like they're not. I don't know why that's sticking out in my head, but I don't want to say that for sure. But it's huge. Like, this is a lot of cleanser, so yeah, definitely will research that and let you guys know down below. But this is valued at $48, so whoa, a little bit expensive. Okay, I have two more things. This next one is from Too Faced, which is cruelty free. This is the Rich and Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Lip Gloss, and mine is in the shade Pretty Penny. There's the packaging right there. I really enjoy Too Faced packaging. I've tried like their melted mattes lips before, but I don't think I've ever tried a gloss from them. This definitely does not look like something I would wear. It's like, it doesn't even show glittery on camera, but it's like super glittery. But let's give it a try. Oh, actually this, I might wear this. This is like glitter in a subtle way. Like it's definitely gold and it's definitely, or like copper I guess, and definitely glittery, but I feel like I might be able to pull this off. Definitely different from something I would normally wear, so I'm curious to give this a try on my lips to see how I like it. Let's see. This is valued at 21 bucks, so mid-range again. Would I pay 21 bucks for a lip gloss? Probably not, but there you go. Okay, I have one last thing. I'll save the best for last, I hope. So, this is from Storybook Cosmetics. This is the Fairy Tales palette, I think. Oh, Little Briar Rose. So it's really cute. It looks like a little like book. Really cute. I've never tried anything from this brand, so I'm curious to see. I don't know if that's makeup all over mine or it's supposed to look like pages in a book. I think it's supposed to look like, I got a little gloss in my hair. So yeah, I don't think it's dirty. I think it's just the way it's supposed to look like an old book. So there's the palette. There's a mirror. So it's definitely pretty. I like that there's like a good mix of like neutrals and fun color. So definitely the sort of palette I'd be into. Where I can do like a fun look if I really wanted to, or I could do like my basic neutrals. So yeah, I definitely want to play around with this. I'm really drawn to this thorn color right here, so maybe I'll swatch that. They feel kind of buttery, but I don't know if there's a lot of payoff in these. So I'll do a matte and I'll do a shimmer. Let me do a darker matte. And then one more shimmer. So this bottom one is a shimmer, I think. Oh, no, that's a matte. So the mattes really aren't swatching well, which, I don't know, a lot of times mattes don't swatch well. The shimmers look better, but that matte just doesn't. Looks like it blends out okay. This pink one that I was really hoping to love is really sort of not showing up on my skin. Well, it does, but it's just not the best swatch-wise. So I don't say ever trust like a finger swatch. You have to play around with it on your eyes to see how it's really gonna be. There's definitely some staying power. This blue like does not want to go away. Okay, so let's see. That palette is worth 55 bucks. So let's see how many shades are in here. 3, 6, 9, 12, 55. It seems a little bit expensive. And the pans don't seem that big, so I don't know if I'd pay that. So, but I do enjoy the packaging a ton. So yeah, that's everything I got in this box. Let me do some quick math and get you a value. Okay, so the value I got for this was $328, so the value is definitely there when you're only paying $50. I definitely think BoxyCharm, if you're gonna get any box, BoxyCharm is probably the box to get. I think it generally has the best value for what you're paying, and I also think you get that nice mix of brands maybe you've never heard of, but then also well-established brands, so you feel like, okay, I've heard of that. So many of these bags I get brands that I've never heard of and like not one familiar brand in the whole thing, and that can kind of be disappointing, I guess, in a way. But this one at least got like the Too Faced I know, Kat Von D is known, Ciate is known, Fresh is known. Like, so there's a good mix of well-known brands and brands that maybe you've never heard of. So anyways, what did you think of this box? I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments right there. If you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up for me. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more sleepy pups back there, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down there. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.